Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking at 3 potential altcoins to buy right now in October. So in the past 24 hours, the market has been up a little bit. It is up about 0.39%. Top gainers here being Axie Infinity, which is a coin that we talked about when it was trading around less than $30 or so, and now it's continuing to boom on higher and higher. It is actually up about 27.18% here just in the past 24 hours. Our highest volume is, like usual, Bitcoin. So Bitcoin pretty much trading around this 48,000 area in the past 24 hours, but over the weekend we did have this huge boom from Friday into Sunday, and now going into the next week. Obviously, Ethereum pretty much trading flat here in the past 24 hours, around this 3350 3400 area. As we see, volume is still around the same as usual. Cardano is down 1% or so. Everything else is up or down 1%. And obviously, we have a little bit of outliers like ALGO right here. We have Axie Infinity blowing it up. Tezos is going up very, very high. So we have our ups and downs, obviously. Not everything is performing the same as the market. So we have outliers like usual, which is a normal thing. So before we get into this countdown, guys, go ahead and show some support. Smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 100 plus likes in this video. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I can do a video. And as always, want to sign up for Webull, get you 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300. The link's going to be in the description. Now let's get into it, guys. So the first altcoin is going to be Algorand, ALGO. So this one in the past 24 hours is making a nice move here. It's currently trading at $2.02, up about 14% or so. It was trading at 177. Now in the past week, this one is up 13% from lows of about 155. So from those lows, we're up about 30% actually. On the 1 month chart, we're up 65% or so, hitting highs at 255. So we still have a good potential of about a 20 to 25% upside just to get back to those all-time highs. This one is up 545% in the past year, as we were trading around 31 cents last year, hitting highs here at 170 or so, consolidating, pulling back down all the way down to the lows of about 70 cents, and then skyrocketing to 250 before making a pullback. So this one in the past, it's been performing well. So here in the market cap, 12.3 billion right now. Volume is up about 50% higher than usual, almost at a 1 billion market cap. Typical hold time is 46 days on this one. It is ranked the number 11 coin. Trading activity 56% buy, 44% sell. So Algorand is a cryptocurrency and blockchain protocol that aims to be simultaneously scalable, secure, and decentralized. It uses a consensus algorithm called pure proof of stake. Algorand nodes reach consensus about what should appear in the blockchain through a process called PPOS, which uses a staking system, obviously, to verify new transactions and produce new crypto tokens. Now, Algorand network participants are able to stake some of their algo in exchange for the chance to be randomly selected to propose a new block or verify transactions. The winner is also awarded more algo coins. Now, keep in mind, PPOS systems like Algorand's are more efficient than proof of work blockchains like Bitcoin in terms of electricity consumption, because they don't rely on thousands of miners spending energy to solve cryptographic puzzles for a chance to win a block of reward and earn transaction fees. So it is a little bit better right there, especially for anybody looking for a greener coin. Algorand is your play right there. So definitely one that we're going to be watching in the month of October to see how it's going to perform. Then we have number 2. This one is a huge momentum play right now. High risk, high reward in my opinion right here. And, I think it could go higher in the future. But right now it's kind of like a momentum play like we had with Avalanche recently. So this one, Axie Infinity, up about 27%. This was trading at 106 just about 24 hours ago. Now it's at 138, hitting highs here of over 140 at one point. In the past week, this one is up 117% as it was trading at $63. In the past month, 87%. And then in the past year, 84,000%, guys. This was worth around 12 cents last November. And then we saw it hit highs here of $82 or so. But we talked about this coin actually when it was trading under $20 here in July. I remember we talked about this coin and it continued to go higher and higher and higher. Hit those highs, pulled back down, and now it's shooting on higher once again. So hopefully we're going to be, hitting some more highs. Market cap currently at 8.4 billion, 2.9 billion volume, which is 42% higher than usual. Typical hold time is very short, only 7 days. It is ranked the number 18 coin, 54% buy, 46% sell. Axie is an Ethereum token that powers Axie Infinity, a blockchain-based game where players can battle, collect, and build a digital kingdom for their pets. Now, AXS holders can claim rewards for staking their tokens, playing the game, and participate in key governance votes. For those of you who are not following the channel or not familiar with Axie Infinity, basically what this is a game that you can play. You get these little pets, I guess you could call them, and if you have two of these pets, you can breed them and make another pet. It takes a few days, I believe about a 5-day wait period. You get one of these pets. If they have a nice EV or IV, where they're, ranked nicely, you could be selling them for a lot of profit if they're worth something. If they're a junk, Axie Infinity, I guess pet, then you would not be able to make a lot of money on it, and then you just kind of either break even or lose a little bit. But a lot of these people are doing these breeding methods in order to try to breed a very popular pet and sell it for a lot of money. So a lot of people are doing the breeding situation, and that is actually benefiting this one a lot. It's actually very nice. If you guys check out the website, you can read all about it and find out more information, do your own research on it. But in my opinion, it's definitely something interesting, and I've seen a lot of other famous people try to copy this concept, and they're not as good as the original Axie Infinity. In my opinion, is one of the best ones that I've seen out there, and I think in the future could definitely be even better. So Axie Infinity, our number 2 coin, and then our number 3 coin is going to be Alron, so EGLD. In the past 24 hours, this one is up about 2%, trading at about $250 right now. It is up 11% in the past week, 42% in the past month, and then in the past year, 2,643%. Now, this one was trading at $8 last year, hit highs here in April at $239, pulled back down to under $65 or so here, actually under $60 at one point, and then skyrocketed on higher in September all the way to highs of about 300. So that 300 area was very, very nice right there, over a 400% gain from the low to the top. A little bit of a pullback, and now we're shooting on higher. 4.9 billion market cap, so this one is the lowest out of the three that we talked about. All-time high 302, like we said. Volume is actually lower than usual, which is okay, but volume is tapering off a little bit. If we can pick up some volume, I believe that this one could definitely push on higher and potentially break through that $300 area in the future. It's definitely something interesting for us to watch, as the market cap is a little bit lower, under 5 billion right now. So even if we just get to 10 billion market cap, this coin would be worth around $500, per coin, and that's already another massive gain that we've already made. So this one is definitely another interesting one, and it fits our criteria right there that we're looking at for the rest of October to see how things are going to perform. These 3 coins are definitely very interesting in my opinion to see how everything is going to go. I'm very bullish on these, and that's just my prediction, obviously, but I think that there's definitely potential for these ones to continue to go on higher. So those are the 3 altcoins that we're going to be looking at. Now, we're going to take a quick look at the rest of the market. Solana still trading at 170, pretty much flat here in the past 24 hours. Doge is up about 2%. It's actually making a little bit of a upward movement here on Sunday with a little bit of a setback, but it's still trading around this 22 to 23 cents area. In the past week, it's in the green, 7% or so. In the past month, we're down about 25%. And then obviously on the 1-year chart, up over 8,000%, hitting lows of about 16 cents at one point recently, and then highs of 34 cents. And now we're a little bit of a downtrend. Like I always keep saying, if we see a bear market type situation, Doge could continue to go lower and lower into the teens and potentially even under that. So it's a very dangerous coin in my opinion, as it is just a meme, and it was very popular because of all that situation that happened in the beginning of 2021. Well, the current market cap is at 29.1 billion, 50% buy, 50% sell, so it's equal right there, and it's a 55-day typical hold time on this coin. Now, next we have Bitcoin, which is up almost 1% here in the past 24 hours, hitting highs of about 49,000 before making this drastic, move back down to this area that's pretty much been trading for the past 48 hours. So 48,000 right here seems to be like a resistance area. If we can break through this and continue to go higher, potentially past that 52,000 area that we saw last month, it'll be very, very interesting to see what's going to happen after that. So that's what we're hoping for this weekend or this week. Market cap right now, 903.9 billion. So we're getting closer to that 1 trillion market cap as well. It's about 19% of the crypto market, 60% buy, 40% sell on this one. Volume is a little bit lower than usual. Typical hold time is 86 days. So Bitcoin performing very well, and it's something interesting right there. Ethereum is actually flat here, but we did hit highs of about 3,500 almost, and now we're set back to where we've been at pretty much over the weekend. In the past week, we're up 10% from lows of about 2,700. In the past month, we're down about 14% from that same area, hitting highs of about 4,000 right here before making a pullback drastically all the way to about 2,700, and now a little bit of a movement on up. Now this one, market cap 397.8 billion. It is trading around this 3,400 area. It is around 9% of the crypto market right now. Volume a little bit lower than usual. Typical hold time is 82 days. 53% buy, 47% sell, and is ranked the number 2 coin, obviously right behind Bitcoin. But I think that Ethereum is going to continue to go higher, in my opinion, obviously, as well as Bitcoin, especially if we see another, bullish momentum going into this week. We are approaching some big things in the world. I guess you could, if we talk about the stock market, we're going to be reaching, earnings coming up soon in about a week or so. Things are going to start spicing up. So October is going to be a hot month right now with earnings, firing up, I guess you could say. We're going to be watching, tech and growth stocks and different things like that to see how that's going to affect the crypto market as well, because it's all intertwined and everything happens for a reason right there. So both of these things have to kind of come together and see what's going to happen in the month of October. We're very bullish on the market, and we believe that these coins could potentially keep on going higher, and that's why we're adding it to our radar and potentially buying any dip buying opportunities as long as things look good for us. And then we're either planning on holding these coins or making a quick buy and sell situation if it's a momentum play, like we've seen with Avalanche and different coins on the channel that we've talked about for momentum play. So definitely interesting. Once you see volume start to pick up, it's very nice to see crypto push on higher very quickly. So it's always interesting to see how everything performs once those bullish situations start to happen, like we saw on Friday where Bitcoin kind of exploded from about 41,000 to about 48,000. It was very interesting to see how that performed. So guys, if you enjoy this type of content, go ahead and smash that like button for me, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, if you want to sign up for Webull, get you 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300. I'm not a financial advisor, guys. This is all for entertainment purposes only. Speak to your financial advisor before investing, do your own due diligence, and understand the risk and reward type situation you're getting into. I hope you guys enjoyed, and hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.